How to set up email forwarding in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's set up an email forwarder. Click the Forwarders icon. An email forwarder allows you to send a copy of all email from one address to another. This is handy when you have multiple addresses but only want to have to check one of them. Click the Add Forwarder button. Enter the email address you want to forward. Then enter the address you want the message forwarded to. Click Add Forwarder. That's it. The email forwarder has been set up and will start working immediately. You can return to this screen to create additional forwarders or to delete existing ones. You can also create domain email forwarders where all email sent to a specific domain will be forwarded to another. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up an email forwarder in cPanel.
Thank you for watching. If you need more help, please contact Flaminqo Help Center. Our agents will be more than happy to help. Flaminqo Hosting.